Hi guys, welcome to my Excel session today on data sorting in Excel. So you might be aware of data sorting. What data sorting is one of the powerful tools used today to analyze data, and it is in fact one of the powerful feature of Excel. So today we will do various ways of arranging data in Excel and what are the various options to arrange the data in Excel. Okay, so in Excel, as you know, we can arrange the data based on one criteria, or we can say based on one column, or we can sort data on multiple columns. We can arrange data either in ascending or descending order. Ascending means increasing order, descending means decreasing order. So let me tell you the steps for arranging data in Excel. So let's come back to the Excel sheet. Okay. So here, as you can see, we have Excel sheet which contains the data of various salespersons, showing the quarterly sales in two countries, US and UK. Now here, suppose you want to arrange the data in descending order of the last name. Okay, right? So what will you do? You will select the first cell of the column after leaving heading which you want to arrange. Okay, on which you want to arrange the data. After selecting the column, you go to data tab and select option sort descending. Okay, see, it's arranged all data based on the last name, and it's arranged the names of based on the descending order of the last name, right? So this is the example of sorting based on bulk column. Okay, now suppose you want to sort data based on multiple column. Let's suppose first column is last name, and after that you arrange your data based on the quarter. Okay, then what will you do? You will select first cell, then again click on data sort, then select the second criterion under the sort P2. So what is our second criteria? It's quarter. Okay, so I am selecting quarter, and we want in ascending order of the quarter. Now after that click OK. See, after sorting last name, it sort the data based on the quarter. So now you can easily analyze your data. Okay, so William, the name of the salesperson is William. The sales done by him in fourth quarter is in quarter one he did the sale in UK, and it's $12,438. In quarter two he did the sale of $10,644, right? So now it is very easy for you to arrange the data based on the multiple column, and you can analyze it clearly. Another option, now suppose what if your data is like this, you have name of the months and the unit sold in particular month by the same person. So what will you do? Okay, so here we can't apply alphabetical sort here because month have its order, like January, February, March, April, like that we want to arrange. So for that we have another option in data sort, which is present in the options tab, and here you can choose custom sort order. Then after that you choose this option. Generally we want to arrange our data like this, so choose this, then click on OK. See, it's arrange the data like this. Why March is coming like this? Because we have not entered the format. again, data sort, then custom sort key is, so go to option, select custom sort, okay, click on okay. See, now it's ordering the data correctly. So guys, these are the three ways we can sort our data. One is based on single column, another is based on multiple column when we have multiple criteria, and third one is based on custom sort, which we use for weekend name, weekdays, and name of the months. So this is all about data sorting. Hope you like it, and if you have any queries, you can send your query at my email lutajanid@gmail.com. Thank you. Bye bye.